an elixir to improve diabetes and gives years of life of extra lifespan. If you have been living with diabetes and looking for a way to dramatically improve your health, don't miss this incredible opportunity today. It turns out a garlic, turmeric, apple, lemon juice, olive oil, and black pepper elixir that I'm going to give you today can make a world of difference. Before you know it, with just one portion of this delicious combination, you could find yourself keeping up with your loved ones longer than ever before. So if making the most out of life has been on your mind, then this will be just the recipe for you that you need. So don't wait to watch this video until the end and start seeing the results right away. I will touch base on the benefits, of course, of all these ingredients that I'm going to talk about, so you're pumped and ready to create your magical elixir. Unfortunately, if diabetes or other conditions raise blood sugar levels too high, as you know, these things can actually start to damage your arteries, introducing damaging cholesterol that causes the plaques inside the arterial walls, as a result causing the obstruction in your free-flowing blood. So even though diabetes is classified as non-fatal and diabetes itself does not cause cardiovascular disease, it increases your risk by 4 times as it paves the way for heart attacks and strokes. If you have diabetes, it is especially important that you take extra care of your heart. When your immune system detects a problem, it will send the white blood cells to the rescue, right, as first responders. So fortunately, you can lend a hand too. You can do your part to keep your heart healthy by maintaining a healthy lifestyle and using these ingredients that I'm going to give you in that elixir. For example, apples can provide more than a figurative dose of medicine. In addition to keeping the metaphorical doctor away, regular consumption of apples has been linked to multiple health benefits. What are they? Diabetes prevention, heart healthy fiber, reducing cholesterol. These are just a few things to remember. Research even suggests that the polyphenols present in apples can help reduce and maintain healthy blood sugar levels as well. So nothing really beats enjoying an apple every day for this many nutritional benefits, from keeping diabetes at bay to reducing cholesterol accumulation in the arteries. So use it, take advantage of it. The next ingredient is garlic. It's much more than a savory seasoning. It may even be the key to better health for most people. Numerous studies show that the garlic does wonders for reducing the plaque buildup in your arteries, making your blood less sticky and keeping the culprits away from our arterial walls. Not just that, but garlic's abilities don't stop there. This superfood can also take credit for lowering your total cholesterol, triglycerides, and even blood pressure, while enhancing the fibrinolytic activity, which is the activity that loosens your blood, preventing the clotting. So those people with diabetes might even have something to celebrate. This powerful plant has been proven to help regulate blood sugar levels as well, decrease the fibrinogen concentration, which causes the clots. Now that's definitely some flavor you can also, put in your food to make it more delicious. Turmeric is the next one. It has potent medicinal and therapeutic properties. And curcumin, which is the main curcuminoid found in the turmeric, right, is the important ingredient. It is a polyphenol, which is a plant compound that has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that protect your cells from damage. Now, being overweight causes fat cells to release cytokines, which causes the diabetes, the blood vessel damage, and creating the plaques buildup and all that. Now, curcumin in turmeric has the ability to inhibit fat-producing cell differentiation, which reduces the fat storage. Now, turmeric has also been shown to lower blood pressure by promoting blood vessel relaxation. Now, relaxed blood vessels allow for healthy blood circulation, which means less chance of plaque accumulation. Olive oil is truly a miracle food and has such wonderful benefits. It contains both monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and raise good cholesterol in the body. Have you ever heard of HDLs? Well, it is those high-density lipoproteins that scour the arteries and cells searching for those pesky LDLs that can clog them up. We all understand how important it is for us to have healthy blood sugar levels, so adding olive oil is an easy way to get closer to achieving them. As I have said in my previous videos, it is all about creating balance with our diet, and adding this superfood certainly helps bring us closer to that goal. The next item on the list is black pepper. May just be the miracle spice you have been searching for. It is piperine content, acts as a powerful antioxidant, fighting off free radical damage to your cells. And it doesn't stop there. Black pepper improves absorption and bioavailability of turmeric, which is curcumin. So you get the full health benefits of this potent root. But did you know that it also works hard against diabetes and other chronic inflammation? That's right. Regular intake of black pepper can help to keep your diabetes in check, help stabilize your blood sugar levels, which are important factors in your diabetes management on a day-to-day, right? So it also protects you from heart disease and even some cancers. Let's not forget how black pepper will rev up your gut health while helping you to reduce your appetite if weight loss is an issue as well. The list of health benefits goes on and on. Now, cayenne pepper has earned its place as another amazing blood circulation herbal supplement. It helps increase the blood vessel function. It lowers the blood pressure levels and stimulates the release of nitric oxide. All good news for overall circulation boost. Who knew that one simple seasoning could do so much for our well-being, right? The next thing in the list, lemons are truly a miracle of nature. Not only can they make your taste buds tingle, but lemons have many amazing health benefits as well. They help give your body a thorough cleanse, from detoxifying blood and liver to improving your digestion. The powerful combination of flavonoids and vitamin C flush out impurities while increasing the alkalinity, which is great news for diabetes sufferers. Not to mention, the citric acid found in lemons helps boost immunity, combat bacteria and viruses, and talk about one-stop shopping. You got everything there, right? Today, I'm presenting you finally that magical combination of ingredients that can do wonders for your health. Now, you need a cup of water, 1 apple, no need to leave the skin, all right? A single garlic clove, some turmeric, a pinch, and a pinch of or two of black pepper, a dash of cayenne, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and yes, don't forget that half a lemon juice as well, half a lemon and then juice it. All combined in high-speed blender for best results. So why don't you get blending right now for your good health? Because I gave you all the recipe you need. Go ahead, get that started, have that drink every day, and you will see good results, believe me. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.